Hi lovely ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning about the most important and extremely basic tips about how to care for your luxury leather bags and how to double its lifespan. But first and foremost, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Lokie and thank you for clicking on this video. For those of you new to this channel, I love dropping little tips and tricks and sharing what I know about luxury and designer bags. I like to include bits of history of brands, tutorials, and how-to videos to keep you on your toes. So let's stay tuned, like and subscribe. So now, imagine you have purchased this brand new bag, and how will you store it? The right way to store your bag is in an upright position, like this, and not lying down. Because although it doesn't seem much, but the weight of the bag, including the leather itself and the hardware over time, is significant enough to cause leather damage and indents on your bags. Think about it. Because you're not carrying your bags all the time, your bags may be sitting in there for prolonged periods, hours, days, months, before it is used again. So the right way to store your bags is to stand it upright. Also, I would place them in their own dust bags as well. This is to help absorb the moisture and keep out the sunlight. Where would you store your bags? Firstly, a cool, dry place like a closet or cabinet, and definitely away from sunlight. Light damage is real, and depending on the leather, some may fade quicker than others. So keep out the sunlight and protect your bag so it looks as good as new. Bag organizers are the next most important things you need for your bag to double its lifespan. Bag organizers like this not only keep your things organized in pockets and compartments, but it protects the interior of the bag from scuffings, scratches, pen marks, and general wear and tear. I am talking about general everyday items that are hard or pointy, like keys or pens, that you definitely have in your bag. Bag organizers are a must-have to keep your bag interior looking clean and pristine. If your bag is slouchy, like this one, you may like to store your bag organizer inside the bag to help keep its basic shape and structure. For me, I like to keep all the authenticity cards and metal hardware like locks, keys, and straps within the bag inside the bag organizer compartment, so it goes as a set. Bag stuffers are important to provide support and keep the general shape of the bag. When a bag lacks structure, stuffing it can expand the extra material, prevent creasing, prevent moisture buildup, and allow the material to remain smooth. Examples of bag stuffings are bag pillows, acid-free tissue paper, and air pockets. However, not all materials are suitable as a bag stuffer. Things like magazines, newspapers, towels, and used cloth may run the risk of color run and damage the interior of the bag. Normal paper like magazines and newspaper will turn acidic, yellow, and brittle with age, hence it is not recommended as bag stuffings. Acid-free tissue papers are specially processed papers to remove contaminants to be pH 7 or greater. However, not all bags require stuffings. Let's go through the range of bags from soft foldable to the sturdier ones. Foldable bags and packable bags like the Longchamp bag do not require stuffings. Soft bags like leather backpacks and totes would require a large amount of stuffings. Hobos and soft structured bags like this need to be mildly stuffed to keep their general shape. Structured bags like the Chanel flat bag you have to densely stuff the base or using a bag organizer as a base shaper. This is to prevent what is called bottoming out, which when unstuffed can fold out and crease down. Sturdier and rigid bags like this Kelly Sellier do not require stuffings at all to keep its shape. However, you can still do with acid-free paper to prevent moisture buildup. To clean your leather bag, prepare a mixed solution of warm water and dish solution. Use a soft cloth, wring out the excess solution and gently wipe the external surfaces of the bag, and use a second damp cloth to wipe off the soap and dry with a towel. Lastly, always rotate your bags, meaning to switch it out every few weeks as they don't wear out too quickly. Of course, certain colors go well with certain seasons. Light colored bags like this and this are definitely better for spring or summer. And on the other hand, dull or darker ones like this bag or this one are perfect for winter or fall. These are some quick basic tips to prolong the life of your leather bags and keep it looking as good as new. I hope all of you have learned something useful today. Please like and subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell to get updates on when a new video is uploaded. See you next time and goodbye.